is Julian Wahab. I'm a skater and content creator here in Qatar. And yeah, I'm here to talk about skateboarding. Skateboarding is not really like any sport. You can't really have like a coach. It's really all what you like absorb from watching content online or watching your friends skate. So yeah, it's really trial and error kind of sport.
Skateboarding is not just like a sport for me. It makes my mind think less about my problems in life. Every day, if we can, if the weather is good, then it's a good time to skate.
Now it has grown into like an entire community of like over 150 skaters, all different ages, 60 to 12. It's crazy. Like we have people from Brazil, Lebanon, France, Philippines, all around the world over here. We have like our own obstacles. We build our own obstacles. Like we have rails and like ledges. We put them all over Qatar and we skate them. And we're just here to have a good time.
The skateboarding community here in Doha is growing, but right now we don't have much facilities, skate parks, skate shops, but in the end we still manage to play at ourselves, make our own spots.
We managed to skate here even though it's like on and off. We don't have a proper skate park. There's no permanent obstacles here, so we wish that we having at least one public skate park that we can skate and skate safe here in Doha.